YouTube world. Scott again, Tidy Bricks Landscaping. Today we're going to be showing you how to set levels for your patio. Really extremely easy. This is a classic technique which people used to do thousands of years ago using water levels. No lasers, nothing, no fancy stuff like that. Just simple water levels. I bought it on Amazon last year, I think. Actually, I do use it every now and then because it is just so simple and guaranteed to work every time. I'll spin it around and show you what the water level thingy looks like I got from Amazon. Other companies probably do sell it. So this is a quick brief look at the patio which we're doing. We're doing down there, around there and here. So this pipe here, you see, that is literally just a 10mm piece of pipe, and you get this with it as well. You get two cylinders which you fill up with water, and as you can see, the water levels are spot on. I did do this video already last week, but I watched it back and I made a classic error and I left the tops on. So I left the tops on, so it was a sealed vacuum and it just didn't work. So I got to redo it all again. So yeah, quite simple little thing that. Just pipes, fill it up with water. Water always finds its own level. So I'll show you what we're going to do now from damp proof course to where I need to go. Right, well this is where the damp proof course is. So you see the damp there? We want our patio to be there. So we're going to put one of those cylinders up against the mark there. And then we're going to mark it off here onto this edge of the patio. You can see where I've already done it before. I got the pen mark on there. But that was faulty. That was all crap. So we're going to redo it again. So the theory is, the right-hand side up against the damp-proof course, we'll put the water level so it's flat to the DPC, and then transfer that to here, mark that off. Then the calculation is from the house to this point here is 7 meters. So as it being 7 meters, I want to drop down 10mm every meter. So we put the mark level on the peg, then we'll measure down 70mm. Then that would be the adequate fall for the patio. Simples. Okay, so, so the water level now is stabilized. I did just lose a little bit of water, but it's actually on the mark here. You can just see the water level there. Did just lose a little bit, but it's actually on the water mark I had previously leveled with a string line. So it does actually work. So the water level now over that side, 2 bricks below. This side here, mark that off. So I know from the DPC height now to here is level. So it's 7 meters this way. So I got to measure 70mm down, and then the string line goes on at that height. Then you know you've got an adequate fall then for the water to run off the patio. And this is a strange way of finishing a video of me doing it at this angle. Oh well, I suppose you've got to be in amongst it, haven't you? But there we go. That's pretty much it. Right, I'm going to stand up now. Okay, Josh, I'm going to stand up now. Oh, God. So, that is... Let me show you the pipe on the floor. We did just trim the pipe down because it was a bit long. Oh, I was a bit faffing around. But, saying that, 10 minutes faffing around, and you know your levels. It's that easy. Water never lies. I've got laser levels and stuff like that. One of the jobs I used it on a while ago, I think the machine needed calibrating because it wasn't giving me the right levels. And then, God knows, I had to get that fixed, and that would cost X amount of money. But this was literally 20 quid, something like that. So easy. They were doing it for the pyramids and Great Wall of China, some of my patios. But yeah, always works. So yeah, screw the electronics. Simple way of doing it. Simples. Right, so that peg, which is that one, now I need to level it over to that one, the same mark. Then that peg comes down to this peg, which is about 1.5 meters difference. So that'll be 15 mil difference in height, slowly going up towards the DPC of the house. But that's about it. That's pretty much about it. So if you're doing a garden project this year and you want to set your levels, just buy these. Works every time. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed that one. I got a skip coming in a minute. I've got to get rid of loads of clay. So we're going to sign out for now. Have a good weekend. Catch you soon. Later. Tidy.